Okay, so these are the wires that came from the cluster, right? So the only wire I didn't really need is the green and white, because this is the 6th gear. I don't have a 6th gear, so I don't need that. Then what I did is I just cut off the old wires from the Hawk and I connected it to the new, to the new cluster. So each wire pretty much is the same besides the headlights. It's blue and white on my new cluster, but it's yellow and white on the Hawk. So that's the only real difference. Besides that, every other color is the same, green and red, green and red, green, orange, blue, so forth, blah blah. Yeah, this is the speedo. Then I had to extend the gears. That's the only thing you got to look into is what color goes for what gear, and then extend your wires to go to the back. So then when you take this cover off, you're gonna have wires right here. You're gonna see a connector over here, which your neutral's already plugged in, so you just have to plug in the rest of the gears for that. So yeah, it's duct tape on the outside, but it's electric tape on the inside. I just ran out and I just, put some extra duct tape on there. I know that's not the right one. Well, that's pretty much everything. Let's get to the cluster over here, show you everything work proper. When I turn my headlights on, high beam, gears, the lights. Gears I showed you guys already, so yeah, stay tuned.